We, SYM Hoist and Tower Crane Equipment Company Limited, is one of the leading suppliers on tower crane. With our young and energetic team, we focus on providing first-class products and service to our clients. To be a reliable solution provider is what we are craving for. With 100,000 square meters space, 49,000 square meters warehouse, and over 500 staff, we could ensure our production ability. We produce a full range of tower cranes, from flat top, hammerhead, luffing to derrick cranes, and tower crane load from 6 tons to 64 tons. We attach great importance on R&D and keep on exploring better products to our clients. We have adopted a series of advanced machines to improve our quality. Numerical cutting machine and CNC machine tool ensure the accuracy of steel parts and main accessories. Welding machine and welding robots are widely used for fixing angles, mass sections, and other steel parts. Most of the welding works are no longer made by human workers. Advanced welding machines enable us to provide steel parts with high quality and also keep our welding quality very stable. Advanced numerical drilling machine ensures the accuracy of the dimension and location of holes, so all our mass sections could be replaced perfectly. We also have strict measures for inspection, including raw material checking, welding ultrasound flaw detecting, paint thickness detecting, and drilling checking. Our high-quality steel parts were acknowledged by our clients all over the world. From raw material to qualified products, we provide first-class products and services. We believe profession creates value and also enhances value. We are a trustworthy company and your best choice.